Let's do a really fast and easy hairstyle today that you don't need heat for. I am on a mission to try and use a lot less heat on my hair aside from the blow dryer when I wash my hair. So I'm going to be trying to showcase as many heat-free styles as I can come up with so that I can stop using as much heat on my hair, and maybe you can too. So today I'm going to show you a really pretty and easy, quick way that you can pull your hair off your face, wear it half up, and you don't need any heat. Now you definitely could do this in your hair when it's curled or curl your hair after you do it, and it would also be really, really pretty, but we're gonna do it without heat today so I can show you that these styles do look pretty even when your hair's straight. So we're going to start off on one side of the hair. I do recommend a center part for this, only because I think it looks better when it's symmetrical, but that is my opinion. If you like it with a side part and you prefer an asymmetrical look, that's totally fine. There's nothing wrong with that, but for the purposes of today's video, we are going to start with a center part. Oh, I need my roots done. So I'm going to just make sure that's a little straighter. Tip when you're trying to get your center part straight, take the edge of a comb or a tail comb, but I prefer actually the edge of the comb. Put it right up against your scalp where you want your part to start and drag it all the way back, keeping it right against your head the whole time. You should feel it against your head the whole time. It's going to create tension with all that hair. Pull all the loose hair to one side and bring all that hair to the other side, and you should have a fairly, if not perfectly, straight part, unless you didn't follow a perfectly straight line. Perfect enough. So we're going to start on one side. We're going to take a triangle of hair. So I'm going to sort of start here where my hair kind of thins, and I'm going to go take a diagonal section towards my part, and that's going to be my first section there. You don't want to go like this and take a horizontal section. It's not wrong, it's just going to create a different look, or, you know, a thin section at the top like this. We really want to create a triangular section right there, so you can see like that, and it just kind of gives you a little bit nicer of a finish around the face. And so then we're going to take that triangular section, we're going to split it into two, so we've got a back piece and a front piece, and we're going to take the front piece and we're going to flip it over top of the back piece, and they're going to switch fingers. And now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take the front piece and flip it over the back. But as we do that, we're going to add more hair. Now, we're not going to add hair from right at our hairline, okay? We're going to add hair from just slightly back from the hairline. Just a tiny bit of hair, just like that. Add it in, and then switch front to back. Grab a tiny bit of hair, again, leaving the hairline, front to back. And you want to try and keep your hands close to your head, not holding everything out here, because if you hold everything really far away from your head, you are going to create a lot of space, and when you put it down, it's going to look messy and bumpy. So try to keep your hands close to your head and going in the direction that you're working. And then you're going to take a little bit more. Again, we're leaving out the hair at the hairline. We've just added more to that front piece, and we flip it to the back again. And you're just going to keep doing this, adding a little bit of hair and flipping as you go down until you've kind of reached behind your ear. Then we're going to take a bobby pin. What you're going to do is you're going to open it slightly. You're going to grab some of that twist, put the other side of the bobby pin up against your head. Allow that bobby pin to fully close. Don't put so much hair in that it's not able to fully close before you push it into your hair. If it is open when you push it into your hair, that's when your bobby pin is going to push its way back out. So that's the one side. Now let's do the other side. Now I've got these baby hairs that did not make their way into the twist. You can leave them, or you could put them down, secure them with a little bit of product. I would do a wax stick and then a little bit of hairspray on top if I wanted that to stay. So here we go. This is just so pretty. It keeps your hair off your face. It's great if you have short layers and bangs like I do, because it really holds most of that, if not all of it, back. A little bit of hairspray around that section here is helpful in making sure those baby hairs don't escape. But it is so pretty. So easy. Requires no heat, and the only thing you need is your hands and 2 bobby pins. I hope that helps. I hope that gives you a fun new style that you can try in your hair. This will work if you have thick hair, thin hair, curly hair, straight hair. It doesn't matter. It will work the same in all hair. It'll just look slightly different in everybody's hair. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, because we would love to have you as part of the DIY Hair School family. And leave me a comment, because I love to hear from you guys. Bye.